There's another guy comes to mind. He used to be a region police officer. He's a black belt in Krav Maga. He was a combatives instructor. Big guy, right? Fit. Doing his duties as a police officer. He's canvassing a neighborhood, and there's this one house. As he told the story, he comes up to this one house, knocks on the doors. Nobody there. He hears something in the backyard, so he goes around the backyard. There's a back door there. Knocks on the door. Now, not the reason why he was there, but the guy that was inside the house had some outstanding warrants. He had been to jail, had some more outstanding warrants. They were looking for him. He didn't know that. He just knocked on the door. The guy inside sees the police officer, panics, comes charging through the door. Buddy rushes him, takes him to the ground, and just starts beating him. And my buddy, as he's telling, he's saying, "Look, Andrew, all my skills, like, I couldn't make them work. The guy was just swarming me, and I weighed him by like 100 pounds. And I was starting to fear for my life. Partner came around, the guy controlled the situation. What he didn't have was access to that level of commitment. Like this guy, in his mind, he didn't want to go to jail. He'd been to jail, he didn't like it. He was willing to beat a cop to death so that he wouldn't have to go back. That level of commitment. Now, by his own words, if we had asked him the day before, hey, do you want some training? He would have said, no, I'm good. It was afterwards, when he recovered, then he came to train with us. Okay. So, we're different.